want a good, clean fight. Obey my commands at all.
Apparently, the much-anticipated Manny Pacquiao versus Miguel Cotto fight is still not etched in stone. Late last week, two specific demands came out from the camp of Manny Pacquiao. One is for Cotto to stake his WBO welterweight crown, and two, Cotto must pay a $1 million penalty per pound if ever the Puerto Rican weighs above their agreed catch weight of 145 pounds. And what if Cotto refuses to give in to those demands? Pacquiao's lawyer Jen Gacal told Newswatch there's nothing to worry about, as their camp believes everything will be settled and that the fight will definitely happen. Gacal, however, admitted that contracts have yet to be signed, but that major details were already agreed upon by both camps, albeit verbally.
Wala naman siguro. Magiging problema naman yun. Ayaw ni Cotto. Kaya niyang i-stake ang kanyang pero siyempre sa atin, gusto ni Manny Pacquiao, title fight ito.
Recently, Pacquiao's American promoter Bob Arum made a supposed official statement that the Pacquiao-Cotto fight is set on November 14 at the MGM Grand Garden in Las Vegas, Nevada. Since the fight was announced, no statement have come out from Cotto regarding his readiness to slug it out with the Filipino boxing sensation. For Newswatch, I'm Dennis Principe.